Hola, amigos. So I got this verb here, ser. It was from our vocabulary last week. It's a verb, and I just want to talk about it as a grammar segment. We're going to talk about it tomorrow during class. Ser. It means to be. It is an irregular verb, and so we'll go into that more later, but those are some things I like to say about it as we get started. So I need this verb to talk about me, like where I'm from. What I'm like. I use this verb to describe myself. Like I am, he is, she is, we are. The verb that you're hearing in there is, are. That's this verb, ser, to be. An irregular verb in Spanish. Okay, let's take a look at it. First, I need to know how to conjugate it. And so I can conjugate a verb 6 different ways. Here are my subject pronouns, and these are the subject pronouns that we've been studying. I'm just don't worry about these over here. I'm just adding those in there just so you get the full picture. So here's what we're focusing on right now. Yo means I. So I am Mr. Dixon. Yo soy Senior Dixon. I can say that. I am Mr. Dixon. I can also say I am from Tillamook. Yo soy de Tillamook. I'm using the yo form of the verb ser here. Okay, tú is you informal. That's when I'm talking about you. Como eres? What are you like? Okay, I'm using this verb. And so, guys, if you're confused, that's okay. This is just an intro. I'm starting to get you used to looking at this chart, looking at this grammar. Okay? Él, I'm talking about him. He is nice. Él es simpático. She is nice. Ella es simpática. Okay, and so this is, I gotta fix this, and I will. But this is she. Usted, you formal. Usted is you formal. What is he like formally? Or what are you like formally? Como es usted? Okay? And then what are we like? Vosotros, you all, those guys, those girls, and ustedes. So I can conjugate ser 6 different ways. And let me show you what those look like. Okay, so the yo form is soy. I am nice. Yo soy simpático. What are you like? Como eres? You are nice. Tú eres simpático. He, she, usted. Same conjugation. He is nice. Él es simpático. She is nice. Ella es simpática. You are nice. Usted es simpático. We are nice. Nosotros somos simpáticos. Y'all are nice. Vosotros sois simpáticos. Those guys, those girls, and you guys, formally. So, ellas son simpáticas. Okay, so what I have here for you, and we're going to do this in class tomorrow, but I want to show everybody here these, and these are some of the conjugations. So I have to change the verb to make it make sense. And so this is kind of the grammar part of the class, and sometimes it's not the very most enjoyable, but it is important for figuring out how the language works. So I want to say, I am from Tillamook. And so I'm going to go yo. And so what is the yo conjugation? I got to use the yo form. Okay, and so I wanted to show you that real fast. Yo soy de Tillamook. That's the yo form. And so here it says, quien blank tú. So tú is my subject. If I go back to my chart, tú. That's how I'm going to be finding that. So I'm just plugging it in. Tú is the person I'm talking about. Who are you? Quien eres? Eres. And then who is he? Who is he? So if I go back out here, I want to show you this. Who is he? Él. That's what I need to use there. I need to use that conjugation to make that sentence make sense. Quien es él. That's my conjugation. These come from the verb ser. He is Mr. Dixon. He is Mr. Dixon. So I'm using the verb ser. Which verb am I going to use here? What conjugation? El, say it, es, Senior Dixon. Who is she? Who is she? And then I go back out to my chart. Ella, what's my conjugation? Okay. So let's take a look at that. 5 is ¿Quién es ella? It's the same. She is la directora Davis. She is director or principal Davis. Ella es. And then this one, you. You are a good student. So who are you? You are a good student. And so my conjugation needs to be same as this one. Eres. Okay, that's our intro into ser. We will be working more with this as we go through the week. Ser is one of the most important verbs you need to learn in Spanish, and we will continue to practice it. Adios, amigos.